What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This is actually my first YouTube video I've ever had for my channel. I just started and I love Airsoft and I wanted to make these videos for you. So if you like Airsoft, watch my videos because this may really help you if you want to choose the gun that you want. So this video will be, also like and subscribe if you want to support me as a new YouTuber. So this video will be cheap to expensive guns. So we're going to go from cheap, we're going to go from a $4 gun to a $300 gun. Let's get started. So our first gun, we have this crappy, very crappy gun. The name of it is Infinity. I can't remember what company it's made by, but the name of, I think it's supposed to be like an off-brand 1911 mix, but it sucks. I would not recommend this. It literally feels like I snapped the magazine with one hand and two. Now for each of these, we're gonna get, I don't know how many bullets, we're just shoot a random amount. Maybe like, average maybe 5 or 6. Put the magazine in. Now this is a spring-loaded gun, that means you have to manually cock it every time. Here we go, let's get to shooting it. There's really one bottle down there that we're shooting. I doubt this gun can make it to the water. The water bottle would be all the way to the right in the corner. Left in the corner, sorry. You can see the bullet hurt, but you can see it going by. Obviously, it does not make it very far at all. Like, you'd have to aim it 10 feet up in the air for it to reach it. But obviously, we hit that 0 times out of 5. I do not recommend this gun. This gun sucks. Don't buy it. Don't waste your money. But this one's only $4, so if you want to have a little backyard fun, and for some reason you're only shooting people 2 feet away, so be it. Oh well, do what you want. So our next gun, it will be this P30. It's electric. You hold down this button and you pull the trigger, and it will go. Now this magazine looks like it came from an AK-47, but sadly to say, it did not. Let's put the bullets in, put the magazine in the gun, and here we go, ready to shoot. My assistant's going to be helping me today, moving the camera around and making any adjustments. Here we go. Let's shoot the P30. Just to tell you, I'm shooting the P30 and our other gun. Here we go, in the camera. Now let's shoot. For our first shot, it's a miss. Second shot, it's a miss. Third shot, it's a miss. Fourth shot, it's a miss. Fifth shot, it's a miss. Let's empty out the rest of the bullets. Also, did not use the P30. Now, this gun was only about $20. Now, speaking of P's, I have another P gun. This is the P22. This was about a $30 gun. The last one was $20, this one's $30. Let's put the bullets in, random amount. We're only shooting 5 though. I'm not measuring. Now let's shoot. This is also a spring-loaded gun, so you'll have to manually cock it like that every single time. Just to let you know I'm shooting this gun. Here we go, in camera. Here we go. Miss. First shot's a miss. Second shot's a miss. Third shot's a miss. Fourth shot is a hit. Fifth shot's a miss. So we hit it 1 time out of 5. Get all the other bullets out. So we hit it 1 time out of 5, which is progressively getting a little bit better. For our next gun, we have this nice spring-loaded 1911. This is only $50. It's a very recommended gun if you want to go for a spring style. Let's put the bullets in, random amount like always. And shoot 5. I think I actually only got 5 this time. Congratulations. Magazine in. This is also a spring-loaded gun. You have to manually cock it every time. Let's shoot. Now the accuracy is supposed to say it's 500 FPS. I doubt that is right. Show you I'm shooting this gun. Here we go, from camera. Now let's shoot. Hit it. Hit it. That's 2. Hit it. That's 3. Miss. That's 4. Hit it. That's 5. We hit it 4 times out of 5. Very recommended gun. Now this is So if you have a little backyard fun, this is the gun to go with. Now we're starting to get in the big ones. This gun is $100. I would not use the bullets it comes with because this is about the price range where it gets to where you don't want to use bullets or it could break the gun. Random them out like always. You can call me a random guy, I don't care. Give me a nickname. Put it down in the comments. Now this is actually electric, so you do not have to manually cock it every time. All you do is flip the switch to semi or full auto. See the switch? That's auto. And that's semi, so you can hold the trigger down initial or you can manually do it. Here we go. Alright, we hit 2 times out of 5. It doesn't shoot as hard as the 1911 because it technically is electric and most of the time, spring's supposed to be better than electric, but still, it doesn't matter. Go ahead. Go everywhere. Right. No clue how many, don't ask me. Let's go ahead, put a decent amount of green. This is a green gas gun, so you will require a $10 can of green gas, at least $10 for it to be a good brand. Hold it down for this much of bullets. Make it be about maybe like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Take it out. Put the top back on so it doesn't go bad. And then you can get to the shooting. Now this gun is a $300 gun. It's a very, very recommended gun. Now you do have to pay an extra $10 for the red dot on it. But I actually, when I bought this, I got it for free. I didn't have to pay for it. So let's get to the shooting. Now this gun is green gas, so all you have to do is take it, pull it back 1 time, and then you can shoot. Alright, I just emptied it out. All we have, all the guns that we have for today. Write down in the comments which one's better. Personally, I did only hit the green gas twice, but I did knock it down the first time off of how powerful it is. Now, I'm going to check the wall here and see if there's one off camera. But this is only the pistol edition, so we will be doing this with a lot. We will be doing it with ARs, M4s, snipers. Just comment down below what you want. So that's all we have for today. Make sure you like and subscribe to support the channel and have fun. Capiche?